Ơi chủ siêu làm công phu. You never clap hand luôn. Cùng hay phát thôi. À là đẹp mà. Kongsi Pancai, hari ni Pak Win nak tunjukkan Chinese New Year version of Elevate. So it's a pretzel stick, tapi dia lain sikit because we are not doing pepero, we are not doing rocky, pocky, mocky, we are doing Elevate tea. We'll need just simple, probably just 6 ingredients. So you just mix all of them together and you get a nice biscuit stick, which is the pretzel stick. So let's go into it. So for this very simple dessert, we'll just need that 6 ingredients. We just put it into the mixer and then we'll get a nice pretzel stick. So all we need to do is just pipe it out and just dip it into the coating, the flavoured coating that you would like. So for today, we'll be doing matcha pretzel stick. Yeah. So put all in the mixer, which is your flour, almond grounds, icing sugar, and we always need a little bit touch of salt to balance off that sweetness. So kita nak campur je lah. So kita campur sudah. Kita dah mix well, kita letakkan butter. So butter pun dah masuk dalam. Tengok dia pun dah coating very nicely. We just need to go and put in the eggs just to make sure it mix well. So make sure we put in the eggs. Always go slowly. So it comes to a dough. Then kita boleh buat piping. So everything has come to even mix. Oven pun dah panas. Kita masukkan dalam piping bag. Kita ambilkan nozzle biasa je, just a small round nozzle. So we have this round nozzle, just a small one. We put inside our piping bag. Any disposable one will work because you just need to pipe the dough up. So inside your piping bag. So kita ada parchment paper dekat baking tray. So tengok your oven, tengok your tray. Biasa I punya I guna magnet. So kita kasih piping. Macam ni kan, kita dah tunjukkan 3, kita bagikan Clarin untuk tunjuk kita macam mana buat. Because in the camera look very easy, right? Have a guest today, we bully people. Suddenly come video, what show ni? Okay, can ah? You learn already ma? Come. Am
I doing right?
Yeah, just continue the length. Oh, not bad leh. So you can do this at home. Okay dah. Okay. Anyone say thank you to Clarin. Become video show already. What show is this So when you pipe, this dough and this recipe is very forgiving. If you do it, you break it or whatsoever, it's fine. What you can do is just stick it back up and do it again. You can also shape it with your finger to make sure the ends are tucked nicely. Or you can also use the knife to just make sure it's all evenly cut. So it's very simple. I think it's a simple dessert. It's an all mixed in or in method. So you just mix it to a dough and then you just pipe it up like that. If it's not so straight, just straighten it back up. And let's go into the oven. A few moments later. So to get the matcha chocolate dipping, we need pemanas lah kan. We need kuali, we need white chocolate, we need some almond nibs. Make sure it's roasted. So you just need to roast it for about 160 for 6 minutes to 8 minutes. Good quality matcha powder. Salt, always balance up the sweetness with salt. Especially this time there is white chocolate, so the salt will give a nice balance. And then we have 𝘾𝙝𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤. 𝘾𝙝𝙤𝙤𝙤 tu macam crepe sebuk biskut, dia dah boleh dapat crunch dia. So we want that crispiness into it. So kita ada pot merah pasal Chinese New Year. Kenalah ada Chinese New Year feel sikit kan. So we panaskan air and always bain-marie your chocolate. Tak boleh masak coklat terus dekat pot. Kita letak atas. Dah cair, lepas tu kita masukkan line. Kita boleh buat dipping. So white chocolate pun dah melted. Kita letakkan roasted almond nibs. Kita letakkan matcha powder. Letakkan garam. So lastly kita letakkan ∞. Inilah classic dessert. So this is done. We just keep it aside and we wait for the biscuit. Ha. Ha. Okay, good. So we take the pocky or the pepero or the elevate key, we dip it in. Simple and nice, and 𝐾𝐿𝑒𝑣𝑖𝑛 can do, very important. So this is the elevate key, that is the pretzel stick that you can actually try from your home. Memanglah senang saja kan macam ni, dia boleh buatkan. So kenapa kita nak buat ni untuk Chinese New Year? Memanglah hari-hari makan panggil petak tu dah bosan kan. So kita nak tukar-tukar sikit. So your friends and family boleh makan macam ni. Kongsi pacai.
Very nice.
Nice right?
Dangerous stuff. But nice already.
No, the saltiness.